When I when I was a child and we had a puppy, when the puppy would get her period, when she had experienced her menstrual cycle, my mom did not call it her period. Instead, she called it bloody butt, bloody butt, bloody butt, bloody butt. We had to put the dog in an artificial diaper. We put underwear on the dog. And my mom did not say the reason we put underwear was because the dog had her period and was getting blood everywhere. Instead, she said the reason the dog is in underwear is because the dog has bloody butt. Bloody butt. Bloody butt. Bloody butt. I realized I was a child. But Mom, just admit it. The dog did not have bloody butt. The dog had her period. The dog did not have bloody butt. The dog had her period. It was not bloody butt. Bloody butt. Bloody butt. Bloody butt. That's what my mom called it.